Add your GoDaddy Workspace email to Gmail for unified inbox access via IMAP, Syncs folders, or POP3, downloads emails. Use GoDaddy's secure servers. Setup takes less than 5 minutes. Requires your email, password, and server settings. Step 1. Get GoDaddy server settings login to email.godaddy.com. Click Help, top. Email client setup. Note: imap.secureserver.net, port 993, SSL. SMTP, smtpout.secureserver.net, port 465, SSL, or 587, TLS, POP3 if preferred. pop.secureserver.net, port 995, SSL. Step 2. Add to Gmail. Open Gmail, gear icon, see all settings, accounts and import. Under Check Mail from other accounts, click Add a mail account. Enter your GoDaddy email. Next, choose Import Emails, POP3 or IMAP recommended. Input, username, full email. Password, GoDaddy password, POP and IMAP server. From Step 1, check Always use SSL. Add account. For sending, choose Yes, send as. SMTP details, TLS or SSL, verify via code, add.